once. I'd like to get out of LaGuardia on time.
Well, you know the only way to get out of LaGuardia on time.
You know, what's that?
Fly to JFK.
Buddy.
Takeoff minimum fuel quantity verified. 19,000 pounds required. We got 21.8 on board.
19,000 pounds required, 21.8 on board.
Cactus 1549, runway 4, clear for takeoff.
Cactus 1549, clear for takeoff.
Tony.
Go this side. Positive rate.
Gear up, please.
Give up. Nice view of the Hudson. I'll never get over how beautiful it is up here.
Life's easier in the air.
Yes, it is. Birds.
Whoa.
This is Kirby. I'll check mid-cabin.
It's okay. Everyone, might be a good idea just to keep your seatbelts on.
You got one rolling back. You got both of them rolling back. Ignition start. I'm starting the APU.
Just double check your seatbelts, please.
Seatbelts, can I make sure your
Relax.
seatbelts are
Make sure your seatbelts are fastened.
Seatbelts?
What do you think that was? I think it was a bird strike. And we're going back to LaGuardia. Yeah.
Get out the QRH. Loss of thrust on both engines. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Cactus 1549.
We hit birds.
Maintain 15,000, Delta 331.
We've lost thrust on both engines. We are turning back towards LaGuardia.
Okay, you need to return to LaGuardia. Turn left heading 220.
220.
Which engine did you lose?
Both engines.
Soup?
Yep.
I have an emergency.
What's the report?
Both engines.
What?
Both engines gone, no thrust.
All right. LaGuardia says go to runway 13.
Tower, stop your departure, got an emergency returning. 1549, bird strike. He lost both engines, returning immediately.
Which engine?
He lost thrust in both engines, he said. Cactus 1549, if we can get it for you, do you want to try to land runway 13?
We are unable. We may end up in the Hudson.
I got an A320 diving for the river. Al, stack all the inbounds to LaGuardia.
Let's put a hold on the tower, please. Come on, guys, standpoint.
What about over to our right? Anything in New Jersey, maybe Teterboro?
Teterboro Tower, I need a runway. Cactus 1549 needs to go to the airport right now. Newark Tower, what have you got?
You have runway 29 cleared and ready. You need emergency landing?
Yes. Okay, yeah, off your right side is Teterboro Airport.